In this video, you'll learn about sponsored brands, a solution that helps you build your brand on Amazon to better reach shoppers as they consider which products to purchase. We'll explore how sponsored brands work and how it can help you meet your campaign objectives by connecting you directly with shoppers looking for products similar to yours. As a note, sponsored brands are available for professional sellers or vendors who have enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. Sponsored brands ads appear in placements above, alongside, and below shopping results, as well as within product detail pages. Sponsored brands campaigns are designed to help increase awareness and consideration around your brand, but also to inspire shoppers to visit your page and finally make a purchase. Sponsored brands ads include your brand's logo and headline alongside a collection of your products. You have control over your ad's messaging and creatives. Similar to sponsored products, sponsored brands use a cost-per-click model, meaning you only pay when shoppers click your ads. This lets you choose how much you want to bid per click and control how much you spend on campaigns overall. Now that you know how sponsored brands can help you engage shoppers, let's learn how to get started with your first campaign. Number 1, define your campaign goal. It's important to know what business goal you want to accomplish with advertising. Remember, sponsored brands campaigns can be great at helping shoppers to discover and consider your brand. You may want to focus on metrics like product detail page views, impressions, or new-to-brand metrics to see if your ads are helping reach new shoppers. Number 2, create a campaign. Now that your goals are ready, sign into your advertising console account. Click the Create Campaign button and choose Sponsored Brands. Number 3, choose your campaign settings. Choose a campaign name that's easy to identify and remember. Note that this campaign name is only visible to you. Follow this by entering the start and end dates for your campaign. Remember, it's recommended to create your campaign with no end date so it can run year-round, unless you have a specific seasonal goal. Finally, set your budget. You have the flexibility to choose between a daily budget or lifetime budget during campaign creation. Your budget should be high enough to keep your ads showing throughout your selected campaign duration. Number 4, select an ad format. Sponsored Brands gives you access to 3 ad formats. Ad formats are templates that help you create ads based on what you'd like to promote. Product Collection ad format lets you promote your products and offers the opportunity to create a more rich shopping experience through the use of branded imagery. Store Spotlight ad format lets you take advantage of your store, helping shoppers more easily discover the different product categories available within your store. Video ad format displays 6 to 45 seconds auto-playing video in mobile and desktop shopping results. Number 5, choose your products. Select the products that you want to advertise from the list of eligible products displayed from your catalog. You must feature at least 3 products, but no more than 100. Choose products in the same category or products with similar keywords. Note that the campaign will automatically pause for sponsored brands if linking to a product list page with less than 2 in-stock products. Number 6, set up your ad creative. Now you can customize your ad. Choose your brand name and create a headline to help tell a story about your brand. You can also add custom images of your brand or products to further enhance your story. Finally, choose the order in which you'd like your products to appear when shoppers click your ad. Number 7, choose your targeting tactic. Sponsored Brands gives you the option to choose between keyword and product targeting. Keyword targeting lets you choose keywords to help your product appear in shopping results. Product targeting lets you choose categories or specific products to target your ad to. You can also further refine product targeting by brand, price range, or review ratings. Number 8, add negative targeting. Depending on which targeting tactic you choose, you will have an option to add negative targeting to your campaign. Negative targeting prevents your ads from appearing on specific shopping results or detail pages that don't meet your performance goals. This in turn can refine your audience and improve your return on ad spend. Number 9, define your bidding. You have the flexibility to choose your cost per click bid during campaign creation and can change it at any time. Choose your bid based on the maximum amount you are willing to pay when a shopper clicks your ad. Once you complete these steps, you are ready to launch your first Sponsored Brands campaign. Sponsored Brands ads require approval and must be submitted for review prior to publishing. It's important to consider how Sponsored Brands fits into your broader advertising strategy. You can use Sponsored Brands to drive broader awareness and consideration for your brand, and use sponsored products to reach high-intent shoppers looking to make a purchase. Welcome. In this video, we'll review how to create your very own Amazon store. We'll walk through the process of setting up your store, discuss its components, and explore the benefits of having an Amazon store. Stores are a free, self-service, branded destination on Amazon where you can curate content that inspires and educates. Stores offer customization options that let you showcase your brand and products to shoppers as they search and browse. Stores can help you reach new customers by providing an always-on destination for them to learn about your brand. Stores also give you the control to create an Amazon shopping experience that you can optimize using insights about performance, campaigns, traffic, and sales related to your store. Creating a store is free, and with our easy-to-use store builder, no design experience is required to get started. Now, let's review how to set up your store. Start by logging into the advertising console and selecting Brand Content on the left side of the page. Next, click Create Store to start creating your store. Create your store's homepage by entering your brand name and then adding a high-quality image of your brand logo, ensuring it's at least 400 by 400 pixels. Once this is set up, you can use the store builder to further customize the experience. Remember, the homepage is what shoppers will see when they arrive at your store. We recommend featuring your logo and other imagery that helps showcase your brand. Next, pick your preferred template. This will be how your products and pages display to shoppers. You can use a template as is or customize by removing or adjusting specific sections to fit your needs. Next, you can build sub-pages to showcase specific products in more detail. To create a page, click Add Page in the Store Builder and choose from the options. We recommend using a product collection template to showcase your top-selling products. You should include links to help shoppers navigate between subpages so they can easily view your full catalog. After choosing your template and adding subpages, use the Tile Manager to populate your store with relevant videos, images, and text. This will help your store stand out when shoppers browse. You can add, delete, and organize these drag-and-drop tiles to fit your needs and to help engage shoppers. Now you're ready to review and publish. Be sure to preview your store on both desktop and mobile to ensure a positive viewing experience. Once you publish, or schedule to publish on a specific date, your store will go under moderation review within 24 hours. You can track your approval status in the Store Builder. Once approved, your store will be published on your preferred date. Congratulations, you created your first store. As you get started, be sure to check which product listings perform well to optimize your store's layout using the store's Insight page. This will help you to continue to improve your store now that it's live. Amazon offers a variety of self-service advertising solutions. Understanding your business goals will help you select the right advertising products for your goals and better analyze the performance of your ad campaigns. Depending on your business goals, you may want to use different advertising solutions in your advertising campaigns. In this video, you'll learn how you can use Amazon Ad Solutions to help meet your business objectives. The customer's journey is rarely linear. Shoppers may move across different stages, such as awareness, consideration, and purchase, as they navigate the Amazon store. Amazon Ad Solutions can help you meet objectives that support shoppers at each stage of the journey, such as helping discover your brand, browse your products, and drive purchases. Depending on your goals, your campaign strategy may change. For example, if you're looking to help customers discover your brand, you may want to create a sponsored display campaign with lifestyle audiences to reach customers that may be interested in your products. To help drive purchases with customers who are familiar with your brand, you may want to use sponsored display with views remarketing audiences to remind customers of products they may have previously considered. Let's talk through some more examples of how you can use Amazon Ad Solutions to help achieve different business goals. Accent Athletics have been selling sportswear accessories in the Amazon store for 2 years. They've established a customer base, but now are looking at expanding their business with more products and a wider audience. To do so, Accent Athletics is looking at Amazon Ad Solutions that can help them meet their business goals and objectives. Their first goal is to reach more customers and build awareness around their brand and products. To achieve this goal, they ran a sponsored brands campaign that can help customers discover their brand and products with creative ads that appear in relevant Amazon shopping results. Similarly, Accent Athletics can also run a sponsored display campaign to help build brand awareness by promoting their products or a memorable brand story to customers while they shop or engage with content they love. To gauge success, they look at how many impressions their ads drove, indicating that the ads are displaying to their target audience. Their next business goal is to increase traffic to their product detail pages, which could help more customers consider their brand and products. They run a sponsored brands campaign that links to their own Amazon store, using their best-selling products to help engage customers as they browse. They review their product detail page views to see if these ads are effective at meeting this goal. Lastly, Accent Athletics is looking to increase sales to grow their business. To achieve this goal, they use a sponsored products campaign to help boost sales of individual products. With sponsored products ads, a single click takes customers directly to the product detail page to make a purchase. With their focus on growing audience and driving traffic, they want to ensure that they are also helping drive purchases with the audience. Accent Athletics can also consider a sponsored display campaign to help increase sales, as it could help them easily discover, reach, and engage the right customers in the most relevant contexts across their shopping journey. Similar to Accent Athletics, you can use different Amazon Ad Solutions to help meet your business goals. Amazon Ads has billions of shopping, streaming, and browsing signals to help connect your brand with the right customers at the right time in brand-safe placements. Ready to get started? Visit ads.amazon.com. In this video, we'll introduce how sponsored display can help drive traffic to your detail pages and how you can set up your own sponsored display campaigns in the advertising console. Sponsored display allows you to create display ads that can appear when shoppers browse, research, or buy products in the Amazon store. Sponsored display ads can appear on the Amazon homepage, product detail pages, shopping results, Twitch, as well as other sites where shoppers spend time. These ads can link shoppers directly to your product detail pages to learn more about your brand. Sponsored display ads are automatically generated from product detail pages and include product features like price and star rating alongside images. This allows you to quickly set up display ads to reach shoppers in new placements. Now let's learn how to get started with your first sponsored display campaign. First, define your campaign goals. Before you start, consider the goals of your campaign. Sponsored display can help you achieve a variety of advertising goals, like awareness, consideration, and purchase. Depending on your goal, you may want to evaluate different metrics to assess your campaign's performance. Second, create a campaign. Now that you've identified your goals, sign into your advertising console account and click Create Campaign. Then choose Sponsored Display and click Continue. Third, choose your campaign settings. Choose a campaign name that is easy to identify and remember. Note that this campaign name is only visible to you. Next, enter the start and end dates for your campaign. Remember, it's recommended to create your campaign with no end date so it can run year-round, unless you have a specific seasonal goal. Finally, set your daily budget. Fourth, create an ad group and choose your ad group settings. Ad groups are groups of ads within a campaign that share the same creative type or set of targeting tactics. The first ad group is created when you create a campaign. You can add more ad groups to the campaign after you've saved it. Give your ad group a name that is descriptive and meaningful to you based on the products that you want to advertise. Fifth, customize your bidding strategies. Choose a bidding strategy that lets Amazon optimize your bids against specific metrics. You can choose to optimize for reach, page visits, or conversions. Bids automatically adjust based on relevance while still allowing you to change your bid or pause your campaign. Sixth, select an ad format. Ad formats can help you create an ad based on what you want to promote. Sponsored display gives you access to 2 ad formats, image and video. The image ad format lets you promote unique collections of products or existing stores, while the video format lets you feature a single product. The image creative for your campaign is automatically generated from the product detail page. You can customize the default image creative with your brand logo, headline, and lifestyle imagery. To create a sponsored display campaign with video, you'll need to upload an existing video asset that features a single product or brand. Seventh, choose your products. We recommend adding 10 or more retail-ready products to ensure your audiences see products that are ready to be advertised. Eighth, choose your targeting tactic. Sponsored display gives you the option to choose between contextual targeting and audiences. Note that only one targeting type per campaign is supported. Contextual targeting lets you choose specific products or categories to target your ads. You can show ads to shoppers who are currently visiting products and categories that you select and similar products. With different selected targets, you can choose to reach new audiences across diverse contexts on their shopping and entertainment on Amazon and wherever they spend time, as well as on Amazon product detail pages. Audiences let you choose which audiences you want to see your ads. You can reach relevant audiences through their shopping and entertainment journey inside and outside the Amazon store using shopping and streaming signals from Amazon. You have the option to combine multiple audiences in a single campaign, which can create a broader audience for your ads while removing the risk of overlap. Ninth, provide your targeting details. Pending your targeting tactic selection, your final step will be to provide different targeting details. If you choose contextual targeting as your targeting tactic, here you can select categories, products, brands, or features related to your product. If you choose audiences as your targeting tactic, here you can further refine audiences by brand, price range, star rating, and shipping eligibility. Once you complete these steps, you're ready to launch your first sponsored display campaign.